Aspire's given us confidence in the selling process. To have that sort of insight and specific data was just impossible before. And being able to price accurately is a game changer. It's a cheat code. Ambler Industries was started about 20 years ago. Our company focuses on full service property maintenance. Prior to Aspire, we were using a software. It wasn't designed for a user of our size, for a company of our size. The amount of information that Aspire could offer, so far we've seen really incredible insights into our business. With Crew Mobile, we can take a look at when jobs are started and when they're stopped. We saw some significant improvements in our profitability this year, just based on Aspire seeing things. We know where things are profitable and where they're not. I would absolutely recommend Aspire. It is a total game changer for having insights into your business. It is just incredible, and I know that I'm only scratching the surface.